Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best fairy crown is probably one of the most enchanting accessories you can choose to elevate any whimsical outfit, transforming an ordinary look into something truly magical and ethereal, perfect for festivals, cosplay, or simply embracing your inner fantasy with a touch of delicate charm and intricate beauty that captures the essence of mythical woodland elegance. Number 5. Sweet Rhinestone Leaf Wedding Crown Headband. Discover the exquisite Sweet Rhinestone Leaf Headband. It's designed to add a touch of timeless elegance to your special day. This beautiful piece features delicate rhinestone leaves and crystal pendants. Its fairy tale-inspired design will make you feel truly enchanting. Crafted specifically for brides, it complements any wedding gown beautifully. Let it be the crowning glory of your bridal look. Beyond weddings, it's also ideal for proms, birthdays, or any grand celebration. This accessory ensures you shine at every event. Designed as a comfortable headband, it stays securely in place. You can wear it all day or night with ease and confidence. Elevate your style with this stunning accessory. It's more than just a headband, it's a statement of grace and beauty. What we like? This crown offers exquisite rhinestone sparkle and an elegant leaf design. Its crystal pendant adds a touch of sophisticated glamour. If you are looking for a classic, dazzling accessory for a formal wedding or a grand prom, this is your perfect choice. What people say. Number 4. Sweet Rhinestone Leaf Wedding Crown Headband. Introducing the exquisite Sweet Rhinestone Leaf Crown Headband. This stunning piece is designed to add a touch of elegance to your special day. Crafted with delicate rhinestone leaves and crystal pendants, it captures the light beautifully. Its intricate design ensures you'll shine. Specifically designed for brides, this tiara headband complements any wedding gown. It's the ideal accessory to complete your bridal look. Beyond weddings, it's also perfect for proms, birthdays, or any celebratory event. You can wear it to feel like royalty on various occasions. Transform into a fairy with this enchanting tiara. It offers a magical touch, making you feel truly special and ethereal. Designed for comfort, this headband stays securely in place throughout your event. You can enjoy your day without worry. Let this beautiful accessory elevate your style and make a lasting impression. It's more than just a headband, it's a statement piece. What we like? This piece provides versatile sparkle with its timeless elegance. The durable craftsmanship ensures it will last for many special occasions. If you appreciate a refined accessory that can elevate various celebratory outfits, you should consider this one. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to select points as the source content was empty. Number 3. 7 PCS LED Flower Crown Headband. Introducing the beautiful LED Flower Crown Headband. This unique accessory is designed to add a touch of magic to any occasion. Each headband features 7 vibrant LED lights, creating a stunning glowing effect. It's perfect for making you stand out in any crowd. Crafted as a delicate floral wreath, it offers both beauty and comfort. Its lightweight design ensures you can wear it all night long. Whether it's a wedding, a beach party, a birthday, or a cosplay event, this crown is your ideal companion. It enhances your look for any festive gathering. With a diameter of 19 cm, 7.4 inches, it's designed to fit most head sizes comfortably. You'll love how easily it complements your outfit. What we like? These headbands feature vibrant LED lights and a charming flower garland design. The multi-pack is perfect for sharing with friends. If you are planning a lively beach party or a fun group cosplay event, these will definitely make you stand out. What people say. Number 2. Hicarer Fairy Elven Crown and Elf Ears Set. This exquisite set provides everything you need to transform your look. It includes a stunning crown, delicate elf ears, and elegant cuffs. You'll be ready for any magical event. Adorned with sparkling rhinestones and a beautiful leaf motif, the tiara captures the essence of elven grace. Its intricate details will make you stand out in any crowd. The included elf ears are designed for comfort and a realistic appearance, perfectly complementing the tiara. The cuffs add an extra touch of fantasy to your ensemble. Whether it's Halloween, a medieval fair, or a Renaissance festival, this set is your ideal accessory. It's also perfect for cosplay events, bringing your favorite characters to life. Step into a world of fantasy and enchantment with this magical collection. It allows you to embody a fairy, an elf, or any mystical creature you desire. What we like. This set includes unique elf ear cuffs and a delicate rhinestone leaf tiara. It's designed to complete your fantasy look effortlessly. If you are preparing for Halloween, a medieval fair, or a Renaissance cosplay, this offers an immersive transformation. What people say. Number 1. DDazzling Rose Flower Crown Kit. Discover the perfect accessory to elevate your look. This beautiful floral crown adds a touch of natural elegance to any occasion. Capture stunning memories with ease. It serves as an exquisite prop, enhancing your pictures with a romantic and whimsical charm. Adorned with delicate roses, it brings a timeless beauty. Each piece is crafted to mimic the natural allure of fresh blooms. This convenient kit includes 3 stunning pieces. You can mix and match them or share with friends for a coordinated look. Available in elegant ivory and gold, these headbands complement various outfits and themes. They offer a sophisticated palette for your style. What we like. This kit provides a beautiful floral wreath design, coming in a convenient 3-piece set. It's specifically ideal for capturing stunning photographs. If you are looking for versatile accessories for photo shoots or want options for different looks, this collection is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.